dreams shattered like fallen leaves. Screaming echoes through the night, all out of love, no end in sight. Streetlights flicker, shadows burn, restless nights my head will turn. Can't control the fire I feel, lost inside what is real, real, real. Scream aloud, voices cracked and torn. City's heartbeat feels so worn. Running wild can't tie me down. No more cages roam this town. All I wanna do is break away, feel the wind and seize the day. All I wanna do is feel alive. No more cages roam this town. All I wanna do is break away, feel the wind and seize the day. All I wanna do is feel alive, stand tall, never decline. Echoes haunt the empty streets, broken promises at my feet, shattered dreams beneath the sky. I can't stop, won't even try. All I wanna do is break away, feel the wind and seize the day. All I wanna do is feel alive. No more cages roam this town. Echoes haunt the empty streets, broken promises at my feet, shattered dreams beneath the sky. I can't stop, won't even Hands clenched to the heavens high, questions never satisfied. Anger's my only guide, in this chaos I confide. All I wanna do is break away, feel the wind and seize the day. All I wanna do is feel alive. No more cages roam this town. All I wanna do is break away, feel the wind and seize the day. All I wanna do is feel alive, stand tall, never decline. Lightning strikes the city's bones, tearing through like broken stones. Heartbeats pounding in the searching for that sweet release. Always running, always lost, chasing dreams no matter cost. Shadows haunting every way, still we fight another day. Always running, always lost, chasing dreams no matter cost. Shadows haunting every way, still we fight another day. Always running, always lost, chasing dreams no matter cost. Shadows haunting every way, still we fight another day. Living close to the edge, no retreat. Caught in storm forces I can't beat. Chasing ghosts, shadows at night. Feel the fire burn inside tight. Drowning sorrow never hit. Lost in maze, cold heart grip. Echoes scream inside my head. No more tears was left unsaid.